Sige na kasi, minsan lang naman. Come on, it's just this once. Hindi ako nagkwento kasi nandoon din siya. I didn't tell the story because he was there too. Hindi pa ako nagsalita kasi hindi pa ako handa. I didn't talk because I wasn't ready yet. Kumain ka na kasi, baka sumama ang tiyan mo niyan. Eat already, your stomach might hurt. Nanatili ako kasi hinihintay kita. I stayed because I was waiting for you. Hindi siya sumama kasi ayaw mo raw. He didn't come because you didn't want to. Hindi ako nagdala ng pagkain kasi akala ko may handa. I didn't bring food because I thought there would be food prepared. Nag-ipon ako kasi may plano ako. I saved money because I have plans. Hindi ako nag-reply agad kasi naligo ako. I didn't reply right away because I was taking a bath. Hindi ako naghintay kasi akala ko di ka darating. I didn't wait because I thought you wouldn't come. Ang saya mo kasi ngayon. You're so happy today. Sige na kasi, subukan mo lang. Come on, just try it. Ang tahimik mo kasi. Ayos ka lang ba? You're so quiet. Are you okay? Ayaw ko kasing sumama. I don't want to come along. Nagkape ako kasi antok na antok ako. I drank coffee because I was very sleepy. Hindi na kasi kami nagkikita pa. We no longer see each other. Masaya ka ba kasi nakapasa ka? Are you happy because you passed? Hindi ako naghintay kasi sigurado ako. I didn't wait because I was sure. Hindi siya nagtanong kasi nahihiya siya. He didn't ask because he was shy. Hindi siya nagmaneho kasi pagod siya. He didn't drive because he is tired. Hindi ako nag-isip ng masama kasi tiwala ako sa'yo. I didn't think badly because I trust you. Hindi ako nagmadali kasi maaga pa naman. I didn't hurry because it was still early. Masaya ka ba kasi nakita mo siya? Are you happy because you saw him or her? Bakit kasi hindi ka pa kumakain? Why haven't you eaten yet? Hindi ako natulog agad kasi naghintay ako sa'yo. I didn't sleep right away because I waited for you. Hindi ako bumili kasi wala akong pera. I didn't buy because I have no money. Hindi ako nagluto kasi may tira pa sa ref. I didn't cook because there were leftovers in the fridge. Hindi ako nagreklamo kasi ayos lang naman sa akin. I didn't complain because it was fine with me. Hindi ako nakapunta kasi umulan ng malakas. I couldn't go because it rained hard. Hindi ako naghintay kasi nagmamadali ako. I didn't wait because I was in a hurry. Sabi ko na kasi eh. I told you so. Tawa ka kasi ng tawa. You kept on laughing. Ang ingay mo kasi. You are so noisy. Hindi ako nakasagot kasi nagmamaneho ako. I wasn't able to answer because I was driving. Hindi ako nagsinungaling kasi ayaw kong masaktan ka. I didn't lie because I didn't want to hurt you. Hindi ako sumagot kasi hindi ko alam. I didn't answer because I didn't know. Hindi ako bumili kasi mahal. I didn't buy it because it's expensive.